Well, the arguments that we heard in the Supreme Court building behind me during the course of this Thursday will have a direct impact on what happens in November's presidential election. About 2 hours of legal arguments, the 9 justices hearing from the lawyers of the state of Colorado and the lawyers from Donald Trump's team. Now, the state of Colorado had previously ruled that Donald Trump's name should not appear on the state ballot papers there, making him ineligible to run for re-election. Donald Trump's team appealed that, and it's ended up here in the highest court. Now, during that 2 hours of legal arguments, it became quite clear, listening into the types of questions that the justices were asking to the lawyers, that the justices are rather sceptical of those arguments being put forward by the state of Colorado, suggesting that when they issue their opinion in the coming weeks, they are more likely to side with Donald Trump, which would mean that his name would appear on state ballots, not just in Colorado, but right across the nation, because there are dozens of legal challenges in other states that would be brought forward if the court were to side with the state of Colorado. Now, Donald Trump has warned that there would be chaos and bedlam if the decision does not go his way. All of this harking back to January the 6th, 2021, when Donald Trump's supporters overran the Capitol building. The state of Colorado said that Trump was involved in insurrection and therefore could not stand for re-election under the rules written out in the US Constitution. Now, it's not clear when the judges will come back with their decision. It could be several weeks, potentially even months, but there is really a push for the justices to expedite their opinion, because what they decide for the state of Colorado will become law for the whole of the United States. And as we enter this very crucial election year, primary season at the moment, with each individual state deciding which Republican they want to challenge Joe Biden for the White House, as we get nearer to November, it becomes more crucial that there is that decision from the Supreme Court, so voters and Donald Trump and Joe Biden know exactly what's going to be happening in the coming months. Nick Harper, SABC News, Washington.